What's up, good people? Crazy day today. Very crazy. Had to go to child support court. Almost got locked up today. They asked me why I didn't make a payment. So I had to see the judge and everything. So, whew. So I had to agree to pay $500 by August. So, and with the child support. So they pulled up my emails. I had a great judge. The DA was trying to lock me up, and I didn't even know that was the DA because she wouldn't even listen to my questions. Like every question she asked me, she cut me right off. Caucasian lady with a mustache, and I had a good judge, man. I looked him dead in his eyes. I was like, man, don't send me to jail. That's what I was saying in my head. And black guy, he pulled up I told him I had a job. I was supposed to start on next week on the 27th. And he said, pull it up on your email. And he allowed me to use his computer to pull up my email. So that's the only reason why I ain't go to jail today. And something told me I'd be okay. But once I told them I ain't have anything to give them, they was like, yeah, you gotta wait for the judge. The DA wants the judge to see you. So, I'm here. I'm good. But right here, this paperwork is my ex-wife, Mirt. The original fake order of protection that she filed 3 years ago in April had expired last April. So what does the family court allow her to do is to go down there and just file another, temporary order until we see the judge. So that's what you're looking at here. My ex-wife filed another order of protection. I haven't had any contact with her. I haven't called her, haven't emailed her, nothing. I haven't seen my son. And yeah, that's what you're looking at here. But it is what it is. And I'm good. You know what I mean? I'm alright. This ain't about nothing. You know what I mean? This ain't about nothing, man. Life is good. I thought I was going to jail, and I just thought it was. This whole shit is new to me. Like this whole child support and system and everything is all. It's not new to her. She did the same thing to her other baby father. Her other baby father left the state and went down to Florida. Wasn't giving her nothing. I was like, you know what? I'm tired of this shit. Just wouldn't do nothing for his son or nothing. Like, and I understand, but that's not me. I still want to take care of my son. Like, that's my son. Like, I miss my boy. And yeah, man. And it all makes sense now. If you check out my video, Mirt is watching my videos. It's a video that I put out called Mirt is watching my videos, something like that. And it all makes sense of why she was contacting my family. You know what I mean? Saying that I could see my son and things of that nature. I think it's about to start raining. And that's exactly what happened, man. She was contacting. Yeah, it's raining. She was contacting my family, telling them that they would allow me to see she would allow me to see my son, which is bullshit. Cause I haven't seen him. You know what I mean? And it makes sense why I saw her on Walnut Street, because in my videos I tell you where I catch the bus at. And it all makes sense, man. She filed this in April, so it's a month later, and I mean, she might feel a little bad about that. She probably didn't think that all the way through, especially when she's watching the videos. And I'm glad she did it. I'm not mad at her. This is all paperwork. I need this paperwork so I can show my son that, hey, this is not me, man. It's your mama that's trying to keep me away from you. You know what I mean? It's not me. And this is proof. This is proof right here. It's not me. It's your mama that's trying to keep us apart. And a paper trail. It's a fake order of protection. The same fake order of protection that she filed 3 years ago. She called DHS on me. DHS threw the case out. She put out a warrant out for me. She called my job, got me fired from my job. Everything, man. Just went to the cops and just lied on them, telling them about my past, something that I told her in confidence. Like, you know what I mean? Like, she took my past and used it against me. And I told the cops I smoke weed and all this. What? Come on, man. That's what we playing? But where's the abuse? Tell them about the abuse. What abuse? I never put my hands on you. I never disrespected you. You know what I mean? Like, I never came in the house disrespecting you, ever. You know? get mad at me because I suggest that your son start reading more books instead of playing video games. You take that as, oh, you don't like my son, and start going crazy. I can't live like that. I can't live like that. If I can't make suggestions, I can't be in that relationship. It's raining, but I'm under a tree, so I'm gonna move my things. But life is good, man. Because I knew something was going. I knew something was up when I came into the courtroom and they told me to, put all your things in the corner right there. I said, I'm about to go back to jail. I ain't want to see me in jail, because I told myself I ain't going back. You know what I mean? So I almost wasn't for the ancestors having that judge there for me to see. If it would have been any other judge, especially a Caucasian one, I'd have been locked up. I looked him dead in his eyes, like, I looked him dead in his eyes, looked the judge, like, look, this is bull. I'm telling him this in my mind, like, this is bullshit. And then what he started doing, he started, making jokes and try to make me, cheer up a little, because I was getting angry. You know what I mean? Because the DA wouldn't let me explain anything. I told, it's crazy, man. Life is good, though. It's almost incarcerated, man. Child support court, that family court shit is bullshit, man. Be careful who you had kids by. Be careful. My problem was I love women, and nothing like a woman, man. And I fall in love with the yam, so that's my problem, man. I love every female that I touch. I love them. They know that. But life is good, man. I'm not incarcerated, and it's a good day today. Just going through some bullshit. That's what I attract. You know what I mean? And I told my man Jazz. I said, because at the last child support hearing, I said she going. Because I told the judge that order of protection is no longer valid, like it expired, and some of my mind said she's going to go down there and lie about something to get another, order of protection. And that's what she did. How can you get an order of protection when I haven't talked to you, when I haven't contacted you? You know what I'm saying? How can you get another order of protection? Just because that one expired, you're automatically guaranteed another order of protection? And after I showed the paperwork, after I showed the judge her physically abusing me, kicking me in my head, ask Jazz. Jazz will tell you. She kicked me so hard in my forehead that I was recording her on the phone that the phone flew out my hands. You know what I mean? I didn't touch her after that. I didn't, somebody put their hands on you, you want to go there, but I don't put my hands on women. It's something I don't do. I don't care. I used to laugh at her and her son beating me, rolling on me. I used to laugh at them. Like, okay, that's it. I took worse beatings than that. You know what I mean? My mom beat me worse than that. You know what I mean? Like, I'm good, man. I'm good. Like, I'm not even tripping. Like, it's just something I gotta go through. Like, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that. See the rain? It's raining. I'm under a tree though. I don't know if y'all can see the rain. I'm under a tree. See the? No, you can't see. But you can hear it though. You can hear it. Life is good, man. So my head is always up. I'm thinking positive. I'm good. I told them that I'm supposed to be starting this job, so y'all gotta come through for me. Or I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to do some shit I don't want to do just to pay this shit, man. So it's all a game, you know what I mean? It's just all a game. It's all about money. It has nothing to do. It's all about money and separating the child from the father. That's all it's all about. You know what I mean? And life is good. I'm gonna see my son again. I called my lawyer. She told me to fax over the information. She was in court, so she couldn't be there. And, we gotta see what's going on. I gotta see my boy. So y'all have a good day. I'm about to go to the library and load this for y'all. And go get me something to eat. Peace.